Hello, this is Ella from Jiny. Today I'm visiting our long-term customer's factory. Look at this 64 dry milling machine from Jiny right here.
Running continuously with high speed, large capacity, and reliable performance.
As you can see, this is the wet milling area.
Even under intensive production, these machines maintain excellent stability and precision for consistent results.
This is the automated production line we customized for our client.
With robotic arms handling loading, scanning, and milling processes automatically, the system enables 24/7 production with reduced labor requirements. Thanks to the high precision and smooth finishing of Jiny milling machines, technicians can save valuable time on adjustments and processing.
Seeing our client from a small lab to a large milling center, we are honored to be that part of the journey. Contact us for a customized solution.